Hey my dear lovely students, I hope you are pretty well. We already knew all of the most important function about the software, right? So at the moment I assume that you will make any whiteboard animation in your own creativity. Typically before creating any whiteboard animation, you have to be a proper plan. For example, at first you have to select what do you want to make. Secondly, you have to create an animation. Thirdly, you can add your voiceover and background music if you need. Finally, you have to check it by seeing a preview. And after seeing the preview, if you need any correction or proper adjustment, that time you can fix it. Okay, now for your best result, I will make a short whiteboard animation. Therefore, you should simply follow all the steps carefully. Alright, let's play. Suppose I want to create a motivational video. Currently at the beginning, I pick text tool like this. Just hit on here. Now I write some text. Follow me guys. Now I change the color. Just hit on here. This time I pick red. And click on check mark. Again hit on here. Okay, now I set it in this position. Then I set camera position. To do that, simply hit on here. Alright, now I will add a relevant image. To do that, choose image icon. Then I search in the box winner. And search. Right now I choose this one. Now set it right position as you wish. After that, set camera position. At that time again choose image icon. Currently I am searching arrow icon. You can check all of them like this. Suppose testing purpose I like this one. Simply hit on here. Now I set it like the before. And set the camera position. Actually right now I want to go another page. So first of all I will select any blank corner like this. Just click here and by holding your mouse just drag it like this. Yes, the first page has been successfully gone. Now in this new page I will add some more object. So currently I choose text icon. Just hit on here. Now write your targeted text like this. Yes, I already write our text. At the same time if you want you can change style. Just follow me guys. Suppose this time I like this one. Or you can check another one. Makes sense, huh? Finally click on tick sign. Now set it in right position. Just follow me, guys. And pick camera position. Afterwards, I choose image icon. Now I find GIF category. Yes, this is GIF category. I hit on here. I find anyone. Yes, I like this one. Actually making our animation more gorgeous, I simply add it like this. Just select it. Yes, it has been added. Now I set it right here. And set the camera position. At the same time, I will add more icon. To do that, select again. This time I search success. Then you can choose this icon or you can choose win icon. Okay, let's check another page. Yes, I like this picture. So simply hit on here. Now I set it under below. And set it as you wish. Finally set the camera position. Alright, at the time I will add voiceover. To do that, simply click on microphone icon. Now pick your preferable microphone from here. Just hit on here. This time I like this one. Now I'll click on record. But remember that when it starts recording, you try to match your voiceover according to the footage. So let's play. If you want to be successful, then you are in the right place. Actually, for being successful, you have to follow 3 important rules. One is believe in yourself. 2 is be a good person. 3 is never give up till achievement. Yes, it's done. I just stop it. Now from here you can check it by playing. If you want to be successful, then you are in the right place. And stop it. If you think it's not good, then you can delete it. After that you can again record it. Okay, now I want to add it. So simply hit on here, tick sign. Alright, at the same time I will add a background music. To do that, simply hit on here. This time you can check anything. Suppose I like this one. So simply select it. Then decrease the volume level and click on tick sign. Yes, our all requirement has been done. Now time to check a preview. To do that, simply hit on here. If you want to be successful, then you are in the right place. Yes guys, it's working perfectly, right? Okay, I just close it. Okay, at the time I want to mention you one most important thing. If you think the animate time is not matched with your voiceover, That time you can set it by using properties option. Suppose you want to change this object time. To do that, simply double click on it. After that, you can set your animated time, pause time, transition time, whatever you need. Okay, I just close it. Suppose you want to change this object time. Then you may double click on it, or you can do it from here. Just select it and choose properties option. Do you understand, guys? Makes sense, huh? Finally, I will recommend you come here and do much more practice with lots of project. After that, end of the day, you will be master on this sector. Thank you very much for watching the video.